Right, in this case I've got a point not on my line but in a space, and I want a perpendicular line from point B to this line. So I can use my protractor. Right, I'm going to put this vertex line like horizontal. There's my 90 degrees. So I know from this line to this line is 90 degrees. So I'm going to move it till it's there at my point, and then I'm going to draw my line. Right, and I know it's a 90-degree angle. Right, 90 degrees. Or I can take my 90-degree triangle and I'm going to put this on my line. Right, and doesn't matter where my line is. I'm going to stop there at the point, and that is my 90-degree angle. Right, so this line and this line is perpendicular on each other. That is when you've got your point not on the line.